INR is 8.0, which is the best immediate management? A. Stop warfarin and monitor. B. Give vitamin K orally. C. Administer IV vitamin K and fresh frozen plasma, FFP. D. Switch to aspirin immediately. Answer C. Explanation. INR 8 with bleeding requires rapid reversal using IV vitamin K and clotting factors, FFP prothrombin complex. Q2. A patient on aminoglycosides, gentamicin, develops rising creatinine and decreased urine output. Which is the mechanism of nephrotoxicity? A. Oxidative damage to cardiac muscle. B. Inhibition of proximal tubular protein synthesis. C. Direct hepatic toxicity. D. Increased GFR and electrolyte loss. Answer B. Explanation. Aminoglycosides accumulate in renal proximal tubular cells, mitochondrial dysfunction, nephrotoxicity. Number 2. Hospital pharmacy Q3. During a hospital inspection, expired oncology drugs were found stored with active stock. Which international standard does this violate? A. GMP. Good manufacturing practice. B. GCP. Good clinical practice. C. GDP. Good distribution practice. D. GLP. Good laboratory practice. Answer C. Explanation. GDP ensures proper storage, distribution, and separation of expired versus active stock. Q4. A patient in ICU received IV potassium chloride as a bolus injection instead of slow infusion, leading to cardiac arrest. This is classified as A. Adverse drug reaction. B. Sentinel event, preventable medication error causing death. C. Pharmacogenetic failure. D. Near-miss error. Answer B. Explanation. Wrong IV administration leading to death equals sentinel event in hospital safety. Now number 3, community pharmacy Q5. A diabetic patient presents at a community pharmacy with recurrent hypoglycemia while on glyburide. He is also taking trimethoprim sulfamethoxazole for UTI. What explains the hypoglycemia? A. Increased renal clearance of glyburide. B. COP2C9 inhibition, prolonged sulfonylurea effect. C. Pharmacodynamic antagonism. D. Poor drug adherence. Answer B. Explanation. TMPSMX inhibits CYP2C9, reduced glyburide metabolism, hypoglycemia. Q6. A traveler requests prophylaxis against malaria before going to Africa. He has G6PD deficiency. Which drug should be avoided? A. Atovaquone proguanil. B. Doxycycline. C. Chloroquine. D. Primaquine. Answer D. Explanation. Primaquine causes severe hemolysis in G6PD deficient patients. Number 4. Pharmacotherapeutics. Q7. A 55-year-old man with heart failure and diabetes is started on dapagliflozin, SGLT2 inhibitor. 2 weeks later, he presents with fever, genital pain, and swelling. What complication is suspected? A. Diabetic ketoacidosis. B. Fournier's gangrene. C. Pyelonephritis. D. Hypoglycemia. Answer B. Explanation. Rare but serious adverse effect of SGLT2 inhibitors is necrotizing fasciitis of perineum, Fournier's gangrene. Q8. A cancer patient receiving methotrexate develops severe mucositis and bone marrow suppression. Which antidote should be given? A. Folinic acid, leucovorin. B. Vitamin B12. C. N-acetylcysteine. D. Pyridoxine. Answer A. Explanation. Leucovorin rescues normal cells from methotrexate-induced folate depletion. Number 5. Regulatory guidelines Q9. A company is developing a new vaccine. During Phase 4 surveillance, rare cases of Guillain-Barré syndrome are reported. What should the regulatory authority require? A. Immediate global withdrawal of vaccine. B. Inclusion of risk warning in product labeling. C. Switch to placebo-controlled trials. D. Stop all ongoing Phase 2 trials. Answer B. Explanation. Phase 4 detects rare adverse effects. Appropriate labeling and monitoring are required unless risk is overwhelming. Q10. A pharmaceutical company files an IND, investigational new drug application. Which data is not typically required? A. Preclinical animal safety studies. B. Drug manufacturing information. C. Marketing strategy and sales projections. D. Clinical trial protocols. Answer C. Explanation. IND requires safety, quality, and trial protocols, not commercial marketing strategies. These are 10 advanced